Good day. In this video, we're going to solve these two exponential equations. In this question it says, find the value or values of x, and this one it says, find the value or values of k. Before we do them, please remember, if there's anything in school mathematics that you're not sure about, you can try it first and then send the problem to us in a WhatsApp photo to this number. Then we will try and solve the problem for you and send back an answer as soon as possible for free. In the first question, they're asking us to solve for x. Here we have 1 over x, and here we have the square root of 0.04. It's important to know in mathematics that there's more than one way to solve a problem. I'm going to take one of the techniques. The first thing I did is I took this 1 over x to the power of 1 and changed it to a negative exponent, not to have a fraction anymore. Then I took this decimal over here and I changed it to a common fraction in its simplest form, which is then 1 over 25. Up to here we already had two big moves that we need to understand in exponents. If you don't understand it, please send the problem to me and I'll send you a link to a video you can watch. Next, we keep the x to the power of minus 1, and on this side, because that's a square root with a 2 over there, I wrote a little half in the air, and I took this fraction and I changed it to its prime factors. The 1 stayed 1 and the 25 became 5 squared. Then, still keeping my x to the power of minus 1, I used exponent law 3 and I times that exponent with that exponent. Now 1 to the power of anything is going to give me 1, and 5 to the power of 2, I'll times that 2 with that half. I did it over here and you'll get an answer 1. So this simplified will give me 1 over 5. Then we change this fifth to a negative exponent, 5 to the power of minus 1. Now a law that we don't often use. If I have one base on this side and a base on that side and my exponents are the same, that means my bases must also be the same. So x equals to 5, but I'm going to do it with mathematics. What we then did is we times the exponent with a minus 1 on this side and in that side minus 1 to balance it out. Why did we do that? Because an x alone actually means x to the power of 1, and I need that minus 1 to become a plus 1 with multiplication or division. Then my final answer is x equals to 5. Please stop the video and see if you understand how this equation worked out. Now the second equation, here they asked us to solve for k. They want to get that k alone. Again, there's more than one way to do a problem like this, but this is my way. Firstly, I rewrote this with a multiply here. You can leave your brackets if you like. Here I changed the 4 to a 2 to the power of 2. I prime factorized this 10, became 2 times 5, with the k still outside. Now I divide by 2 to the power of 2 on both sides. So this 5 to the power of 3 will stay. This will become 2 to the power of 3. That 2 to the power of 2 will be cancelled away. That k I will times in with exponent law 3 with a 1 over there. We'll get 5 to the power of k. And then I'll times the k with that 1 over there, and that'll give me 2 to the power of k. I just swap them around. Then going backwards with exponent law 3, I will pull that 3 out. Remember, if I times this in and in here, it'll still give me that answer. In the same way, I pull that k out to the outside to get my bases the same. And because my bases are the same, it means 3 is equal to k, or k is equal to 3. Please stop the video and see if you understand all the calculations. Please indicate whether you liked or disliked the video, and you may subscribe to the channel.